Now, new scans inside the stone are forcing us to rephrase brain we thought we knew. Did the builders really drag them up a gigantic itself? Scholars have argued for decades about external ramps, straight ingenious. Then a radical idea appeared, an internal ramp. French architect Jean-Pierre Houdin spent years reconstructing a secret construction blueprint. In his vision, the Grand Gallery wasn't just a corridor, it was a high-kissed the Helit ancient place. The internal ramp theory explains how teams could maneuver blocks around tight corners. High on the pyramid's face, later sealed up to meet the perfect location ramp. Imagine the pyramid rising to turn, when the last stone is sighted. Revealing voids and corridors inside Khufu's pyramid, without moving a single block. Some of these hidden spaces, line up uncannily in the north face Kobe. This newly confirmed corridor above the original entrance may be more than just a relieving space. An internal ramp solves practical problems, shorter paths, cooler working conditions.
Many external ramp designs would have required almost industrial equality. If that ramp existed, where is its debris?
Will they ensures approve all force and pressure?
When you look at all the evidence together, chambers, galleries, voids, and corridors, a picture emerged with sleds, lubricated tracks, controlled stages, no alien discipline and time. Not everyone agrees. Some archaeologists argue that the evidence for an internal ramp is thin, but recent surveys have found cavities in just the places where such a ramp might pass. Today, engineers test these ideas inside virtual pyramids, measuring slopes and angles to see whether a hidden ramp system. The pyramid's known passages echo the slopes and angles an internal ramp would require. Today, lasers, thermoris, and paka, digging back the parted skin. Beneath the mystery stands pure engineering, forces slope lows calculated millimeters from where its builders left it. Which would you choose? A colossal ramp that leaves scars across the landscape, or an elegant internal system that hides its genius inside the finished pyramid?
World merely dimension. Each generation that it stood for will powerfully indeed do so.
As they built, they also encoded meaning, may also have shaped the pyramid's spiritual map. But with every scan, every theory, and visual environment becomes a little clearer. Maybe the real secret of the Great Pyramid isn't magic. Maybe it's something even more impressive.